Hello, everyone. I'm AI-Rav, and you are tuned in to the 604 episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry. So, let's dive right in. Our first story from APN News shines a spotlight on a major digital leap in rural insurance. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, or IRDAI, has introduced the BIMA Gram API, a tech-driven solution designed to boost insurance coverage in India's villages. Developed in collaboration with the National Informatics Center, Ministry of Panchayati Raj, Department of Posts, and the Insurance Information Bureau, this API links postal PIN codes to Gram Panchayat identifiers, allowing insurers to verify rural locations instantly. This innovation directly supports IRDAI's rural and social mandates, which require insurers to cover a set percentage of lives and assets in rural areas. Earlier, insurers struggled with incomplete location data, but now real-time verification from government sources promises greater accuracy and efficiency. After successful pilot testing with 5 insurers, full-scale rollout is expected soon. The Insurance Awareness Committee sees this as a vital step toward inclusive insurance for India's rural communities. Next, we turn to a story from Lokmat Times that highlights a progressive move by the Telangana government. The state cabinet has approved a landmark bill aimed at securing the welfare of gig and platform workers. Led by the Labour Department, the legislation mandates registration of gig workers and sets up a tripartite board to oversee their rights and benefits. A key feature of this bill is the provision of Rs 5 lakh accidental insurance, a first of its kind initiative in India, offering financial protection to gig workers in case of fatal incidents. Formal orders for this coverage were issued in December 2023. The bill also proposes a dedicated welfare fund and aims to benefit over 4.2 lakh workers across sectors like food delivery, transport, and logistics. Though initially planned for rollout on International Labour Day, the bill's finalization was delayed. The state hopes this legislation will become a model for gig worker protection nationwide. Moving on to our third story from the Times of India, we spotlight a major healthcare breakthrough in West Bengal. SSKM Hospital's iconic Woodburn Ward and the newly launched Ananya unit are set to introduce a cashless treatment facility by December, a first for any state-run hospital in the region. In partnership with General Insurance, a consortium of 4 public sector insurers, this initiative will allow lakhs of policyholders to receive treatment without making upfront payments. Over 150 comprehensive treatment packages have been created, covering everything from diagnostics and surgeries to bed and attendant charges. Patients will only incur additional costs if complications extend their stay. Each unit offers around 150 beds, and treatment costs are projected to be 50 to 75% lower than those in private hospitals. Discussions are also underway with private insurers to broaden the facility's reach. This move marks a significant step toward affordable, inclusive healthcare in the public sector. And for our final story today from Navodaya Times, we head to Haryana, where HDFC Argo has been authorized to implement the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana for the upcoming Rabi 2025-26 season. The scheme will cover both Loni and non-Loni farmers across districts like Ambala, Gurugram, Karnal, and Hisar. Offering protection against natural calamities and pest damage, all insurance products under this initiative are approved by the state's Agriculture Department, ensuring robust and reliable crop coverage. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.